Hi, welcome to Flow with Kim. As a certified nutrition coach, clients often approach me with questions like, if I'm dealing with SIBO or IBS, how can I create a sandwich that tastes good and is healthy? So if you're dealing with any type of food sensitivities to gluten or to dairy, this is the sandwich I recommend that's tasty and healthy. Ingredients you'll need for this sandwich: just a little vegan mayo. I really like this product. Organic capers, organic pickles, and gluten-free bread by Canyon House. The main ingredient in this bread is tapioca. I found when it comes to gluten-free bread, if it has a little tapioca in it, then it tastes really good. Organic cherry tomatoes, a plant-based cheese alternative. This brand is mostly just coconut oil, but it substitutes cheese. Organic kale. Last but not least, Atlantic salmon. Adding some salmon. Kale is a superfood with lots and lots of nutrition. Salmon gives us our protein that we need and the omegas that help us absorb nutrients. Olives, which are great for fighting all kinds of viruses actually, adding fiber. The kale also adds fiber. Capers, yummy, making it extra yummy with some capers. Tomato, great source of lycopene, which helps muscles recover after a workout. We have one slice of our cheese and a pickle, and that's everything. Pick it up, and there you have it, a gluten-free, dairy-free sandwich that is a complete meal with protein, vegetables, nutrients that will leave you feeling satisfied and nourished. So if you're on a dairy-free or gluten-free diet, if you're trying to avoid any digestive issues like SIBO, if you're on a low FODMAP diet, this is the sandwich I recommend for you. If you try it at home, let me know what you think. Enjoy!